Hello friends, in this video today we are going to talk about a player who has traveled from zero to hero with a years of hard work and not overnight. And today's time he is also the highest paid athlete. So in this video we are going to talk about a footballer Cristiano Ronaldo. You must know them, but do you know their lifestyle? If you do not know, then definitely watch this video and talk. If you are a fan of Ronaldo, then like this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon. Ronaldo full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro and nickname Ronnie, CR, CR7 and Rocket Ronaldo. He is a footballer by profession. Ronaldo was born on 5th February 1985 in Portugal and he is 38 years old as of 2023. Ronaldo started playing football from a very young age and was very fond of playing football since childhood, due to which Andorran Sports Club selected Ronaldo while giving his passion. And one interesting thing is that when Ronaldo used to play football in his childhood, he often used to lose, due to which Ronaldo started crying and Ronaldo used to look more in the workground in the class. When Ronaldo turned 10, he was included in the national football team and Ronaldo played for this team for 2 years. And when Ronaldo turned 12, in 1997 he went to the Sports Club of Portugal for a 3-day trial, and seeing his game, the club signed him for a £1,500. And after this he worked hard, but at the age of 15, Cristiano Ronaldo came to know that he has a heart problem and the doctor forbids him from running and playing football. And at that time Ronaldo had two options: he quit football or he got surgery, and the doctor told that he may die in this surgery. But Ronaldo took the risk and got the surgery done. After recovering from surgery, Ronaldo returned to the field to play football again and played his first match at the age of 17 for Portugal Sporting Lisbon club. And then in 2003, Manchester United Football Club signed Ronaldo for $17 million. And with this, Ronaldo became the most expensive player at the time. Ronaldo played for the Manchester United club from August 2003 to 2009, in which Ronaldo scored 84 goals in 196 matches. And after that, Real Madrid Football Club gave $132 million and included Ronaldo in his team. Ronaldo signed a deal worth 2,000 crore to play for a Real Madrid till 2021. After his contract with Real Madrid expired from 2009 to 2015. Ronaldo is the most expensive footballer in the world because of this deal. Ronaldo won 15 trophies, 2 La Liga titles or 4 championship titles. Throughout Ronaldo's life, he has received titles and awards so far. And Ronaldo has also been included in Time magazine list of 100 most influential people. Ronaldo is the only football player who has won 5 Championship League titles. But after earning so much money and name, you will be surprised to know that Ronaldo runs an ashram on his own, in which he himself bore the expenses of more than 600 children. In November 2012, Ronaldo auctioned his gold boot and donated 13 crores from this auction to build a school in Giza. Apart from being the most expensive player in the world, this person is also one of the richest people in the world. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo's success has reached that point where every player dreams of reaching. Friends, you must tell us by commenting that how do you like Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's introduce you to Cristiano Ronaldo's family. So his father name is Jose Diniz Aveiro and his mother name is Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro. And he also has a brother whose name is Hugo Aveiro, and he has two sisters whose name is Katia Aveiro and the other sister name is Alma Aveiro. Talk about Ronaldo's girlfriend, then tell you among friends Ronaldo dated Irina Shayk from 2009 to 2015. And after that Ronaldo married Georgina. And Ronaldo has 2 sons and 2 daughters, or their son name is Cristiano Ronaldo Jr. or second son name is Matthew Ronaldo, or their daughter name is Alana or Eva. Now let's talk about Cristiano Ronaldo's house. So friends, Ronaldo's house is in Real Madrid, Spain, and here he lives with his family. And this house is not less than a palace. This house has every new facility as you can see, and the price of this house is $6.2 million. Apart from this, Ronaldo also has a house in Madeira, Portugal, which is very beautiful to look at, and the cost of the house is $8 million. And Ronaldo also has a house in New York's building Trump Tower, which cost $18.5 million. Friends, let me tell you that Cristiano Ronaldo has a house in some country and the price of each house is in millions. Now let's talk about Ronaldo's income. A football player earns in various ways like brand endorsement, investment and merchandise. Ronaldo is the world's most followed person on Instagram, and every year Ronaldo earns 36 million euros from Instagram. And Ronaldo has his own brand like clothing brand, hair care, perfume. Ronaldo earns 1000 to 1500 crores from all these brands, and Ronaldo is also the highest paid football player, and they get 31 million euros every year for playing football. And in 2019 Ronaldo has also bought a hotel worth 300 crores named Pastana Hotel. Friends, apart from this, Ronaldo has a hotel anywhere else from which he earns crores. If we talk about his net worth, then his net worth is $490 million. Let's see the car collection of Cristiano Ronaldo. So friends, let me tell you that Ronaldo is very fond of cars, due to which the world's most expensive car is also included. And apart from this, he has 30 more cars, and the first number is Ferrari F430, and the cost of the car is $3 lakh. And the second car he has is Mercedes AMG G63 Brabus, and the cost of the car is $6,20,000. And the third car he has is Audi R8, and the cost of the car is $1,50,000. Number 4 is Rolls-Royce Ghost. The price of the car is $3,11,000. And number 5 is the Bentley Continental GT. The price of this car is $2,20,000. At number 6 is the Lamborghini Aventador LP700, and the price of this car is $3,18,000. McLaren Senna is at number 7. The cost of this car is $1.8 million. The number 8 is Ferrari 599 GTO, and the price of the car is $3,85,000. The number 9 is LaFerrari, and the price of the car is $1.6 million. At number 10 is the Aston Martin DB9, and the cost of the car is $2 lakh. Number 12 is Porsche 911, and the cost of the car is $1,01,000. Number 13 is Bentley Continental GTC, and the cost of the car is $1,95,000. Number 14 is Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and the cost of the car is $3,30,000. Number 15 is Audi RS6, and the cost of the car is $80,000. Number 16 is BMW M6 Grain Coupe Black, and the cost of the car is $1,02,000. Number 17 is Bugatti Santo DC, and the cost of the car is $8.9 million. Number 18 is Porsche 911 Turbo, and the cost of the car is $96,000. Number 19 is Ferrari 599 GTB Fiorano, and the cost of the car is $3,10,000. So friends, this was the car collection of Cristiano Ronaldo. Let me tell you that Cristiano Ronaldo also has a private jet of his own. He has a Gulfstream G65 jet, and the cost of this jet is $65 million. And at the same time, they also have a private yacht, and the cost of this private yacht is $19 million. So this was the lifestyle video of Cristiano Ronaldo. How did you like the video? And tell by commenting that about which celebrity do you want the next video. If you like the video, then do like this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.